Two of the most helpful features added in the most recent version of tallyprime 2.1 are the edit log and digital signature. The most recent version of tallyprime comes in two flavors, one with a required edit log and one with an enable-disable edit log option. Businesses with B2B clients and a turnover of $20 million or more are required by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs (MCA) to utilize accounting software that includes a detailed edit record of all user activity. Tally released two variants of tallyprime 2.1, tallyprime 2.1 edit log and tallyprime 2.1 to meet this legal requirement. One of the best benefits of utilizing Tally is that you don't have to pay for any new features that are added. As a result, as long as you continue to use Tally after purchasing tallyprime and activating your Tally software service (TSS) subscription, you are eligible to upgrade Tally. One of the most anticipated Tally features, the digital signature, was added in tallyprime 2.1. Previously, a plug-and-play TDL or add-on was required to install both the edit log and the digital signature in Tally. To maintain a user log or employ a digital signature, however, you are no longer need to use a TDL or plug-and-play add-on as of this version. When implementing edit log in Tally, there are two possible outcomes. Using an outdated version of Tally after renewing your TSS. You can update your Tally version. To upgrade your Tally, read this blog. Or get immediate help from your service provider. New Tally user, in the event that you are a new Tally user. Tally is already updated. Enable security control to create user logins. Create entries as necessary when user logins have been completed. By opening the day book and entering the necessary date, you may examine the edit log. From the right side panel, select basis of values. To display the report for, hit enter. You are given three alternatives to examine reports for amended, unaltered, and all vouchers. As needed, choose one of the three possibilities. To check the deleted coupons, you can alternatively set include deleted vouchers to yes. The user and date and time specific user activity log is displayed in the edit log report. You can also look at the company's edit log. This report lists the many tasks completed by the administrator, such as data migration, data splitting, and edit log enable. You can purchase a plugin tool in Tally if you want some high-level capabilities that enable you to have better control and oversight of your data. This plugin program has numerous unique features, including the ability to cite justifications for voucher modification. Check out this Tally audit trail here. Start by connecting your PC to the dongle that contains the digital signature certificate. Visit the voucher or document that needs to be signed. To send an email, mail, or print, use Ctrl+E, Ctrl+M, or Ctrl+P as appropriate. Choose the appropriate format and printer. Next, select the necessary digital signature from the list by clicking on Digital Signature. Ask before inserting digital signature should be set to yes. When you enable this feature, Tally will prompt you before adding a digital signature to any documents you are emailing, exporting, or printing. Only text or text with image can be used to add a digital signature. This includes the handwritten signature and logo images. Opening the digitally signed document and clicking on the digital signature. A dialog box will appear confirming the originality of the document. To further verify, you can select the signature properties. It will show you the complete details like the logo, the hand signature, etc., and thus verify the validity of the signature. If you have a Tally license and are using an older version, we strongly advise updating your software as soon as possible to tallyprime 2.1 in order to become statutorily compliant as well as to remain competitive in your industry because of the features that guarantee high efficiency and low costs.